Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives SII's activity, index, actionable sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end.
Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and to start with our first segment for Wednesday, 23rd July 2025, Nifty index opened positive and inched to 25,182 levels within the first few minutes of trading before succumbing to sustained selling pressure and then slipped. Index exhibited a range-bound trading session, faced immediate selling pressure but defended a psychological 25k support zone. It formed a bearish candle on the daily scale but negated its lower highs, lower lows formation of the last three sessions. The tug-of-war between the bulls and bears have painted a mixed picture with a fragile structure. India VIX was down by around 4% to 10.75 levels. Nifty put-call ratio slightly decreased to 0.84. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,600 to 25,500 levels, while immediate range is in between 24,800 to 25,300. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net sellers to the tune of 3,566 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 5,044 crores. FII's index long-short ratio decreased to 14.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest Nifty has to decisively cross and hold 25,100 for a bounce towards 25,250 and 25,350, while supports have been seen at 24,850 levels. Bank Nifty has to hold above 56,750 for a bounce towards 57,000, while a hold below the same could see weakness towards 56,500 levels. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, positive setup can be seen in Eternal, Angel One, Paytm, Shree Cement, Dalmia Bharat, Tata Chemical, UPL, Ambuja Cement and Fortis, while some weakness could be seen in Aarti Industries, Canara Bank, Motherson, Supreme Industries, Cipla and Birlasoft. Wish you a super day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice.
Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.